Okay, I'm gonna show you cause this I just bought this off Detroit Exo. They have pretty good reasonable prices on Detroit Exo. So this Camry, both of them is complete dead. You see that how low that is, and then you can just push it. It's bounce really so easy. So it's complete gone, and you when you drive it, it's yeah, you can see all the car when the strut is good. Is the bit higher than that. That's really low. That's completely dead. So I ordered that online. I don't buy from eBay anymore. The service sucks, so I just buy it from Walmart. Their Walmart is kind of like eBay's. Walmart.com, free shipping, and I use their card. I get 5%. So, and I rather use Walmart.com than eBay. eBay, they don't treat seller very well. So, yeah. After this, I'm gonna show you part 2. I'm gonna show you how to prepare. Because you have to kind of like come in here, take that seat off so you can get into the strut. Okay, I'll see you on the next video.